material. Tonight, I am portraying Saint John Paul II, known for non-Italian Pope since 455 years. He traveled abroad extensively to promote an understanding of countries and religion. One of his inspiring work is Faith and Reason Are Two Wings, on which the human spirit rises of the contemplation of truth.